fixing to come back to her nest. Something got her first little baby. We went out there and looked, and it's not out there now, but there's still 3 eggs in the nest. So we don't know what happened to the baby. There she is. See her? There's the little mama. She's going back up to her nest. She's got 3 eggs. Bless her heart. But the one little baby's gone. We don't know what happened. But she's still got 3 babies. Paul got out there and looked around to see if it was a snake maybe, or if it had fell out of the nest, because we saw it this morning, but he couldn't see it. She's got 3 more eggs. I hope she'll get up there. There she goes. She's sitting on the nest now. Bless her heart.